Hello, this is Paul Forstall, and I'm going to show you how to add a Google Doc to Google Classroom. If you have opened up a new classroom, this is what it'll look like. This is a little different from the old style, just coming out. So if you're creating for the new year, this is what it will look like. It says Stream, Classwork, Students, and About. To add a Google Doc to either your stream or your classwork will depend on where you start out. If you just like to post something for people to see on stream, you can go to the plus sign at the bottom, click there, and then create announcement. You'll see this icon, the Google Drive icon right there that I'm highlighting, and you would be able to pull up a document and add it that way. Another way to do this, let me close out of that and go to classwork. This that I'm circling right here with my indicator, the plus sign and create, is the other way to do it on the classwork side. There is the assignment or question, either way you can use it. I'm going to go ahead and click assignment. It will look the same either way. So you can type in what the title is. And I'm just going to title it How to Add a Google Doc to Google Classroom. Instructions. Please add a Google Doc. I can add point value, whatever I choose. Also a due date. If I click on a date here, it can give me that. I can even add a time if I choose to. I'll just click off the screen. Now it's selected. Topic. This will make it so you can keep your topics together. So if you have multiple classrooms within the same kids, they'll be able to see the topic and sort that way, or you'll be able to sort that way as well. I'm just going to call mine beginning of the year. And then I click on the Google icon again, the Drive icon. And it comes up with my most recent as the first option. This is kind of the default there. And I could click on my You Can Do This document. If I click on My Drive and I scroll past my folders, I've got that document there. And I also have it under my starred, as you can see right there. If I just double click on it, it's now on my assignment that I've created, and now I just have to assign it. I can also have it scheduled to assign later or save as a draft depending on what I want to do. But today I'm going to just click on assign, and there it is. Now when I click on it, oops, I double clicked, just a single click, I can pull up the document, and hey, this isn't so hard, is it? Kind of awesome when you think about it. The other option is if I click on back here and I go to stream, you'll see it there as well. And so whoever it is will be able to see this is who I've assigned it to from the teacher's point of view. So that is how to add a Google Doc to a Google Classroom. Thank you very much.